Picture this: you've survived the long lines, checked your baggage, and you're practically tasting that overpriced pre-flight iced latte. You step up to the airport security scanner, completely confident, until the X-ray machine alerts, everything grinds to a halt, and a TSA officer points directly at your bag. Suddenly, you're the center of attention, sweating under the harsh fluorescent lights while the entire line glares at the back of your head. Airport security isn't just an annoying hurdle anymore. It's a high-stakes zone where simple packing blunders can cost you your time, your money, and even your freedom. Today, we're breaking down the absolute worst travel mistakes that will get you pulled aside, delayed, or hit with mind-boggling fines. Let's dive into the countdown so you never become that cautionary tale. Number 10. Souvenirs treated like liquids. You found the perfect snow globe in Paris, or a rare jar of artisanal honey in Italy, and you lovingly tucked it right into your carry-on bag. Big mistake. Security scanners don't see a beautiful vacation memory. They see a giant container of unidentifiable fluid. Any gel, spread, or liquid souvenir that exceeds the standard 3.4-ounce limit will be instantly flagged by the automated screening lanes. While it won't land you in a federal holding cell, the officer will ruthlessly drop your expensive purchase straight into the trash bin. To avoid the heartbreak of losing your $50 gourmet jam, always wrap these items tightly and place them securely inside your checked luggage before arriving at the terminal. Number 9. Foil-wrapped food mystery. Packing a homemade burrito or a couple of foil-wrapped sandwiches for the flight seems like a genius way to bypass inflated airport food prices. However, heavy-duty aluminum foil completely blocks the X-ray machine's vision, creating a solid, suspicious black void on the security screen. Because the agents literally cannot see what is hidden inside that shiny wrapper, your bag is guaranteed to get pulled for manual inspection. The agent will have to open your bag, unwrap your lunch, and potentially swab it for explosives. While it won't trigger a heavy financial penalty, it adds massive delays to your timeline and leaves you with a cold, messy, thoroughly inspected burrito that you might not even want to eat anymore. Number 8. Unlabeled medications and vitamin organizers. Transferring your daily vitamins and prescription pills into a handy plastic daily organizer seems like a great space saver. But walking through airport security with a collection of mystery pills can go downhill incredibly fast, especially if you are traveling internationally. If a security officer or customs agent flags the pills, they have the right to detain you until they can verify exactly what the substances are. In strict destinations like Japan or the UAE, traveling with undocumented or unlabeled stimulants and painkillers can lead to immediate confiscation, heavy fines reaching thousands of dollars, or even arrest. Always keep your medications in their original, clearly labeled pharmacy bottles with your name matching your passport to avoid a legal nightmare. Number 7. Oversized powders in the cabin. Cost, whether it is your favorite protein supplement, baby powder, or high-end cosmetic setting powder, carrying large containers of dust can cause a major scene. Any powder-like substance greater than 12 ounces must be placed in a separate bin for advanced X-ray screening. If you leave it buried deep inside your backpack, the dense mass triggers an automatic alarm on the newer CT scanners. Security officers will have to open the container, conduct a chemical swipe test, and verify it isn't something hazardous. If the powder fails the quick test or cannot be identified, you will be forced to throw it away right there, wasting your money and delaying your trek to the gate. Number 6. Power banks with faded labels. Lithium-ion power banks are absolute lifelines for keeping your phone alive during a long travel day, but they're also highly volatile fire hazards. Airlines have strict limits on battery capacity, typically capping them at 100 watt-hours. When you slide your external battery through the scanner, security agents look for the printed manufacturer label to verify its capacity. If your power bank is old and the text is completely worn off, or if it lacks a clear label entirely, agents will automatically assume it exceeds the legal safety limit. They will confiscate it on the spot, forcing you to leave behind an expensive piece of tech and navigate your flight with a dead phone. Number 5. Smart luggage with fixed batteries. Smart bags featuring built-in GPS tracking, weight scales, and USB charging ports were supposed to be the future of travel. Unfortunately, they have become a massive headache at the security gate. Due to severe risks of lithium battery fires in the cargo hold, aviation rules dictate that any smart luggage battery must be fully removable. If you roll up to the gate or security checkpoint with a bag where the battery is permanently wired inside, you will be denied entry. If you are forced to check the bag at the last second, they will outright reject it. You will have to abandon your expensive luxury suitcase or miss your flight entirely, making this an incredibly pricey tech blunder. Number 4. Unregistered drones. Flying a drone to capture epic vacation footage sounds amazing, but packing it in your carry-on requires serious homework. While the TSA allows drones in the cabin, international customs and security lines are a completely different story. Many countries have strict aviation laws requiring drones to be registered long before you land. If airport security catches an unregistered drone in your bag, they may suspect you of illegal surveillance or commercial smuggling. Countries like Nicaragua or Egypt will instantly confiscate the device, hit you with massive civil penalties that can easily scale past $10,000, and tie you up in tense, hours-long interrogations that will absolutely ruin your entire vacation before it even starts. Number 3. Intact arc and plasma lighters. You might think a rechargeable, windproof plasma lighter is just a cool camping gadget, but airport security views it as an immediate threat. Standard disposable lighters are generally permitted, but high-tech electronic, plasma, or arc lighters are strictly forbidden in both carry-on and checked baggage. Because these devices use powerful lithium batteries to generate intense electrical heat, they present a massive fire risk on board the aircraft. Getting caught attempting to sneak one through security will not just result in the item being tossed in the trash. The TSA takes hazardous materials very seriously and can slap you with a formal violation notice and a hefty civil penalty ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Number 2. CBD products and chill gummies. Even though CBD is widely legal across many states, federal law and international border security operate under entirely separate rules. Packing CBD oils, creams, or infused gummies to help you relax during a stressful flight can backfire catastrophically. The TSA's main focus is security, but if they discover marijuana-derived products during a routine search, they are required by law to refer the matter to local law enforcement. If you are flying internationally to places with zero-tolerance drug policies like Singapore or Indonesia, even CBD labeled as 0% THC can land you in a jail cell, face severe fines, or result in a lifetime travel ban. It is never worth the risk. Number 1. Artful concealment of liquids. We all know the frustrating rule. Liquids must fit into a tiny 1-quart clear bag. But trying to beat the system by hiding extra bottles of luxury shampoo or expensive liquor inside your shoes, wrapped in jeans, or stuffed into secret pockets is a terrible idea. Modern airport scanners use highly advanced 3-dimensional imaging that highlights liquids instantly, no matter how deeply you bury them. When an agent catches you intentionally hiding items, it transitions from a simple packing mistake to an active attempt to circumvent a security system. This triggers an immediate supervisor intervention, an intense full-body search, a missed flight, and an official civil penalty fine starting at $160. Navigating airport security doesn't have to be a nightmare, as long as you pack smart and stay informed about the latest rules. A little bit of preparation goes a long way in ensuring your next trip is smooth, cheap, and entirely stress-free. If you found these tips helpful and want to make sure your friends don't get trapped in TSA purgatory on their next vacation, go ahead and hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our ultimate travel hacks and survival guides. Drop a comment below sharing the weirdest thing you've ever seen get confiscated at the airport, and let us know where you are flying to next. Safe travels, pack light, and we will see you in the very next video.